MICROFORM Automation. MICROFORM Automation was established in 2006 and commenced manufacturing machine components with CNC milling and CNC turning centers. MICROFORM Automation has been satisfying its customers by fulfilling their needs since then. Our mission is manufacturing quality products as per customer needs with prompt delivery. Our vision is achieving 0 ppm to manufacture components with international quality standards. Organizational chart. We focus on machining, fixture manufacturing, outsourcing capacity. Our company has high safety standards and provides proper safety gears to all employees. A few of our machines are Smart Turn, Ace Designers, Viper VT17L, Ace CNC Jobber Junior, Ace CNC J300, Ace CNC Super Jobber, Smart Turn, Agni BMV 45, number of station 20, Agni BMV 45, number of station 24, Herco VM1, Herco VM2, Miltronics RW15, Makino A55, Makino J66, Deckel Maho 60H, Kira Matna KN 30H, and Hitachi HG 400. Quality instruments, Digital Height Master, Trimos. Continuous monitoring through CPK, MSA and study control plan. These are a few of our products. And a few of our achievements. Our financial growth in the past years. Our core strength is we choose precision components, our quality and our machine strength. These are a few of our clients. You can call or mail us and visit us in the address given below. This is our family and we are MICROFORM Automation. Thank you.